run a small load of scrap over to the S&S scrapyard. Oh, this is a rental truck. I got rear-ended a few nights ago with somebody. I stopped at a stoplight. But anyway, this tiny little truck, it just doesn't hold anything like my truck. Look at this tiny little back end on here. But anyway, I'm gonna get a few more things on here before I go, if I can. Oh! Okay, take a look what I got left here to take. I got a file cabinet, an aluminum swing, a cast iron sink. I just wanted to clear this area up a little bit. Okay, off we go. Free money again, $14.50. Just, I wasn't even out on routes or anything. I just picked up some garbage here and there. And I had 570 pounds right here. It was a net weight. So that's about a quarter of a ton. Right now they're giving the lowest price that I have ever seen as long as I've been doing this. So they're giving $55 a ton for 2,000 pounds. And I was wondering, why was I the only guy in there? There was nobody there. Well, because smart people are hanging on till in the wintertime when the price is going to be double and triple that. But I just want to clean up my yard. Thanks a lot.